Looking for new prank ideas? Make various slimes and prank your friends. How? Learn awesome slime prank ideas from our new video. In a dark, dark room, two friends are watching a super terrifying horror movie. An army of slimes from a faraway planet named Ghostly Slime has invaded the Earth. They can appear from nowhere to get on the main character's tail. Cunning Dolly wants to scare the pants off her friend at the most tense moment in the movie, but the blue-eyed girl wants to pay her back. She offers a themed snack to her friend. Cut cheese into cubes. Pour heavy cream to cover the cheese. Sprinkle it with paprika. Put it into a microwave. Put this edible slime into an empty Pringles container. Add chips on top. Dolly puts her hand into the container, but there is something sticky instead of chips. Slimes? They are everywhere! Horrified Dolly jumps off the sofa, and the blue-eyed girl chews on the cheese slime and enjoys watching the movie about the spooky aliens. Phew! It's blazing hot! Let's get a refreshing drink. The girls go to a summer bar and order a colored lemonade. While one of the friends talks to Dolly, the other one swaps her lemonade. Let colorful Orsby's balls soak in water. Mix slime glue with lens solution. Add it to the bloated Orsby's. Put it into a glass with a slice of lemon. Add another piece of lemon and lime. Put in a cocktail straw. At last, the girls take a sip to quench their thirst. But it's no lemonade at all. What is it? Where is my glass? She gets her drink back and pulls clear Orsby's slime out of the fake lemonade glass. Dolly finds an unusual cactus on the table. Poor cactus! It is so hot that it started melting. How can I save it? I have to blow at it. No, I'd better spray it with water. Nothing helps. It's melting just before my very eyes. Cut out strips of crepe paper. Put the paper into a plastic container. We added extra borax to slime glue to make it thicker. Roll the slime ball in fake moss. Put it into the plastic container. Cut off the sharp ends of toothpicks. Coat a piece of parchment paper with fatty cream and squeeze hot glue onto it. Attach a few sharp toothpick pieces in the hot glue and cover it with the moss. Attach the spines to the slime cactus. Frustrated, Dolly shows the melting cactus to her friend. Nothing can save it. It melts so quickly, but the blue-eyed girl reveals the secret of this green wonder. It turns out that this is not a plant at all. It's slime. We take the spines off and squeeze the green cactus. Dolly comes into the kitchen looking for something to eat. I don't want an apple. I'm fed up with cookies. Oh, this will do. The rainbow spread is so beautiful. It must be sweet. But the blue-eyed girl doesn't let her friend get poisoned. She shows her the warning sign. Don't eat. Pour white glue into 3 containers. Add a different coloring into each. Put pieces of butter into the cups and add some borax. Put in vanilla flavoring. Put the slimes of different colors into a clear jar, one after another. Add sprinkles and some decorations on top. Attach a warning sign to the lid. Hot glue a unicorn on top. The blue-eyed girl opens this nice jar and shows Dolly the colorful slime. It feels buttery when you touch it, smelling of vanilla, and it stretches out nicely. Esmeralda, a third-generation psychic, summons a ghost of a casket. It is not meant to happen today, because she has visitors. A concerned client brings her friend. She is not interested in life anymore. It's a chronic melancholy.